Our next topic is image segmentation. In this, we will discuss about line, point, and edge detection. So we will start with point detection. For that, we will first read an image f equals to I am read of, let us take image slide underscore 5.jpg. Now add window w equals to -1 -1 -1 semicolon -1 8 -1 semicolon -1 -1 -1. So this is the w vector. Now g equals to absolute of I am filter of to float of f comma w. After that, write t equals to max of g of colon, then g equals to g greater than equals to t. Now I am show g. So this is the point detection of an image. If I will display the original image, the original image is figure I am show of f. So this is the original image and this is the detected image in which we will detect the point. Next is line detection. Now we will read an image f equals to I am read of slide underscore 6.jpg. Now get w matrix as w equals to 2 -1 -1 semicolon -1 2 -1 semicolon -1 -1 2. Get g equals to I am filter of to float of f comma w. Next command is I am show g. To display this figure, we will write the figure function like this. So this is the resultant image. Now to select the top left section, we will write command gtop equals to g 1 colon 120 comma 1 colon 120. Gtop equals to it's written. We will now display it as figure comma I am show gtop So this is the image. This will display the top left section. Enlarge the image. Next is gbot. this is equals to G and minus 119 colon and comma and minus 119 colon and. Now gbot equals to, we have to display gbot. For that we will write figure comma I am show gbot. So this is the resultant image. Next is, we will find the absolute of G by using command G equals to abs of G. Now we will display this as figure I am show of G. So this is the resultant image. This is the absolute resultant of an image. Next is T equals to max of G. We will get the maximum value of G. Now G equals to G greater than equals to T. Figure I am show G. The error is, if input is logical binary, it must be two-dimensional. Oh, it's a three-dimensional image, that's why there comes an error. So this command will work only for two-dimensional image. Now next is edge detection. Now for that we will select an image, f equals to I am read. We will select an image from our current folder. Let us take an image of lighthouse, lighthouse.bmp. Now write command gb comma t equals to edge f comma Sobel comma vertical. Figure comma I am show GB. So this is the resultant output. This will use the Sobel edge detector and will detect only the vertical lines. Now after that we will get the value of T as this. Now we will use GB equals to edge f comma Sobel comma 0.15 comma vertical. This will clean up weaker edges by specifying a higher threshold value. Now we will use G both for both horizontal as well as horizontal or vertical edges. We will give it a name of G both edge f comma Sobel comma 0.15. This will clean both vertical and horizontal edges. Now to compute Sobel edges at plus minus 45 degree, we will use commands WNEG 45 equals to -2 -1 0 semicolon -1 0 1 semicolon 0 1 2. Then GNEG 45 equals to I am filter to float of f comma WNEG 45 comma we will use replicate filtering. Next is T equals to 0.3 into max of absolute of GNEG 45. Now GNEG 45 is equals to GNEG 45 greater than T. Next is we will display the figure as I am show of GNEG 45. So this is the resultant image. Now we will use Sobel, log and canny edge detectors for edge detection process. Now we will take an image. First of all, we will close all the figure windows, clear the workspace and clear the command. Now read an image. F equals to I am read of lighthouse dot bmp. Now after that use command F equals to float of f for image conversion. Now use command gsobel default comma ts equals to h f comma Sobel. So this command is used for Sobel detection with by default value. Now for log detector we will write it as glog tl edge of f comma log. For canny edge detection with default values we will write it as gcanny default tc edge of f comma canny. Now to get best values from these detectors we will use commands gsobel best. This will equals to edge f comma Sobel comma 0.05. Now G log best is edge of f comma log at 0.003 and 2.25, and G canny best is edge f comma canny at 0.04 space 0.10 comma 1.5. So these commands are used to detecting edge by using Sobel, log and canny edge detectors at default as well as at best value points. So this is all in this lecture. Thanks.